actual title and things. So we had to write a boost rule, which is like if it is in the title, show it on the top. Top in the sense, increase the score of it. So based on the score, it will come up.
One question.
Sure.
Can I somehow plug in results from a different data source?
Not without a customization. So other thing to mention here is the search query which Sitecore generates focuses on a particular field, which is SXA content field. And SXA content field has values from all the data sources on the particular page. And it searches only for a page, and that page has this computed field SXA content. So if the data source was external, this query will not work. So we'll have to modify it.
Yeah, we have to extend that SXA content and include some other content as well then to
yeah, and that extension again would be, if we want to leverage the features provided by SXA, that extension would be from a front-end code rather than a back-end code, because all this works from AJAX calls. It's not a back-end code which makes a service calls. So yeah, if you want to do something like that, not without heavy customization, that's what I would say. Cool. So search facets. So I'm sure everybody who has dealt with search would know about the facet thing, like the normal e-com scenario, a certain price range or a certain type of product. So those are facets. So we can configure all those facet things from within Sitecore, and all it requires is the field name, which is there in this field name. This has to map to what is there in Sitecore index field name. This might not be the exact field name that you have in Sitecore. This field name has to be picked up from Azure index, not using Azure, of course. So you have to pick it up from Azure index, and so these facets can be used with all type of filters. We saw there were a bunch of filters available. So in our scenario, we had used a drop-down filter. So we just create a facet, associate the facet with the filter, and it will run in that context. And yeah, the filtering would seamlessly work with the results component and all. Cool. That's about it. Any questions?
So this is still a separate license?
I don't think so. It's included now.
Yeah, it's with Sitecore 9 upwards, it's included.
From 9?
Yeah.
Okay.
Though it does not install with the default installation.
I'm not quite sure. I guess consumption-based license is free. I'm not sure perpetual license is included or not. Consumption-based license on Sitecore Path, it's included SXA and JSS, everything included. But perpetual, you still need to buy, I guess, extra add-on, as far as I know.
And if you're using Commerce, that's a default requirement. So if you install Commerce,
that's storefronts and all.
Also get installed.
Okay. It's not available in 8.1, is it?
No, actually, it's from 8.2 on.
Yes. Yeah.
And I'm not sure what are the limitations or things about 8.2. So all those things which I spoke about is related to Sitecore 9. So there might be a few features missing in Sitecore 8.2. I'm not sure about it.
Yeah, with 8.2, you can just install whatever version of SXA you want. So yeah, we've got a client on a very old version, and that's quite poor.
The workflow for development, like you first prototype the site with components and then give it to
That's a very good point. So initially what we used to do is the designers would give their idea to the front-end developer. The front-end developer would build the markup and give it to the backend. So now it is sort of, it has to change in the sense, we as Sitecore backend developers, we have to take the design and tell the front-end developers that this is the closest match of the component that I can make it work. and we give the markup of that particular component to the front-end developer. And even the front-end developers will have to get a bit used to it because there are certain part of markups that they cannot touch. They cannot play around with everything because certain markup is related to getting the rendering variants working, getting the styling working. So they cannot mess with that. So even they will have to work under certain restrictions.
So is it when you make a decision whether to clone component or not, like when front-end developer says you have to change that?
Yeah. So we make a decision as a backend developer that this is the best fit, and they try to work it out from a front-end point of view, styling and JavaScript or whatever they map it. Then it comes back to us and we put in all the rendering variants.
I shared one link in Slack. They have given one good documentation in 9.3, like kind of a chart, like you take the decisions like, okay, is it rendering variant feasible, or you want a custom component, or what kind of flow chart they gave it. It's good in the documentation.
Where did you share with me?
In Slack, I guess not in, I guess, more that.
And here I have a question, like suppose my all HTML code is in a rendering variant. Now what I will do is I will take this by using create exchange. I will export all design to one file and I will give to UI designer, and he will modify and he will give to us. So I will upload that to Sitecore. Then when I upload this UI design, then it will automatically update this rendering variant, or manually I need to do?
I would say we have to do it manually, but first of all, the creative exchange part, are you able to get that working? Because we were never able to get that working. So, but if you are able to get that working, yes, I would still assume that you will have to manually update the rendering variants. And about the creative exchange part, what we have experienced is it's quite buggy, so we don't use that. And as far as I understand, they are even dropping that. There was something about that in the symposium.
They completely changed the flow of it.
Yeah, I thought so.
The front end workflow completely changed into that. That's more, I guess, completely rewritten, I guess.
So is that called Fedora or something?
No, that's all extra tools from Sitecore, developer tools.
Yeah, they moved to NPM.
SXA.
Pratik, just a random question. When you explain that search component, if I'm using Solar, there is something stock words in Solar by default, so it will take care of that.
This is supposed to work with the search as search provider agnostics. That's what they say. But if you are working on Solar on local and on other environments you are using Azure, then you might run into issues because it has happened a lot of times that we develop on Solar on local, things work fine, in Azure it fails. So what we do is we point to Azure from the local instance as well.
But by default it should work, otherwise you need to...
It will work. Yeah, and sorry, to complete the answer, creative exchange thing, if you are still considering to use it, I would suggest not to, but if it's already working for you, awesome. And I think you will have to do the custom rendering variants by hand, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you, Pratik, for the excellent session. So I think I just have in the end to distribute 3 licenses. So shall we just do it now itself and wrap it up?
Yeah. That's some video to show.
Yeah, I will just share my screen and then probably I might need Praveen's help in typing.
Stop sharing.
I'll share the screen. So, first I would request. So basically what Praveen is trying to do now is just show us the video of this tool rev debug, what it does and what feature it boasts of. Yeah, I think.
Should we watch it again?
I'll just quickly share my screen and probably tell you what I'll be doing in the next couple of minutes. So, where is this? Right. So if I see what they have, so here, I mean, what license I have from RevDebug is the test suite license. And basically what I understood, so I just saw this video yesterday, and what in summary I understood it, like it's a sort of debugging tool, and the feature it promises, if it really works, it might be very handy to look on the performance issue if we are getting in the test or production environment. I have not tried that out, so yeah, but at least what they are boasting in all these features, and there are also a couple of things like based on if you have certain performance issue logs in test, then you can record that and you can connect your Visual Studio. So if it works, it might be really very cool. So whoever is winning these 3 licenses, so in our next user group might share their experience whether it worked or not, and how much valuable it might be for considering. So how would I distribute the license is, what I did was I just downloaded all the guys who have accepted this user group meetup, and I kept in this Excel. Yeah. So, and I have added all the numbers based on the date and time individual have accepted this. So is there any name which is missing in this list? The guys who are in the room, can you please see if your name is available in the list? If not, I can just add in the bottom.
Yeah, we have a person with
Yeah, my name is missing,
Yes.
Venugopal.
It's Jack, my name.
Is it you, Jack?
So, is it your name? Available in the room.
Why not add it?
My name is too. Sorry.
Yes.
Because it's hardly code, right?
Okay, let's go ahead. Yeah.
Venugopal.
So it's Venugopal, right?
Yeah, Venugopal.
Anyone else?
Santanu.
Santanu. Anyone else?
No, he left already.
So I just
Saw
want
him
to let you know
drop
who
off.
was available in the room.
You're not getting anything.
Check who is available.
So assume that everyone's name is available in here?
Is that you, Jack?
I'm not sure.
Special characters? Yeah. Okay, so if everyone's name is available here, what I do is I just copy this everything and go to random.org and paste everything. So what happens is that I have all the names here, and the order I have added the name is the order on which individual registered. And then I am handing all this 3 thing to Luke for doing the honors.
Okay.
So, and what I do now is, yeah, so Bruce's name is in the top because he was the first one who accepted the, RSVP. So if you see all this date.
Did you create now?
Yeah, so what we do is, once I click randomize.
That person came,
Yeah.
we still go ahead.
So means once I click this randomize, I get everything in that particular order. But this license would be given only to the person who is available for this meetup, online or offline.
Is there a Matt Cook there?
Oh, so you should confirm me here.
Didn't know it was
Is
coming.
it there, Matt? You're there, right?
No.
You should say me, Matt.
That's number 20.
No, that's fine.
Bruce.
I'm not replacing. So if someone is not there, if your name is coming, you will just ignore them. So Matt Cook.
Yes.
Russian. Yeah. If I win, I'll do it real bad.
Is the dog in the list?
Okay, so
Who wants to file?
now everything is there.
Yeah.
Cool. I just click
Name is there, just check.
Oh my, you should. Okay, I will hold for 2 minutes. You guys check and confirm me.
Oh, that's good. Let's just go.
It's cool, right?
Everyone is there.
There's no Pablo here, there's no Bruce.
Yeah. So I click randomize, and then the order we get, if a person is not available, we move to the other person.
First 3 will get, right?
Yeah.
Go.
So first is Venu Gopal, who is online. So Venu Gopal, let me know what's your email ID. I can send you license.
Yeah, sure.
Get the license.
You promised to use it.
Yeah. For IR.
Yeah, it's
And third is Pratik. Yep. So Venugopal, if you can just send me somehow your email ID, I can send you a
yeah,
license
it's
now, soft copy.
yeah, sure. V.Venugopal.
I don't know if you can just send me over the chat or something. In Blue
Yeah,
Jeans.
sure. Yeah.
Cool. So with this, we are done with the session. I would just like to take a moment for a thank you note, probably. So first of all, I would like to thank you, our main organizer, Bruce, even though he was not able to make today's session due to some last-minute conflict, but he has helped throughout from starting organizing the session, different, means checking all stuff and making sure that everything is in place, even not being here. Then I would like to thank all our presenters, Gopi, Pratik from AKQA, Nikhil from Datacom for all the excellent session. Would like to thank you, our sponsors, AKQA and Sitecore, for helping us to organize the event. Thank you to RevDebug for giving us 3 licenses, which we have distributed in the event. And would like to thank Luke, Helen, Bala, and Praveen for helping me in the event setup. And last but not the least, a big round of applause for all the attendees to make this event successful. So yeah, guys, that's all.
We'll meet next
Merry
time.
Christmas.
We'll meet next time.
And let's
Yeah, thank you.
He's coming to